Well, hello everybody. I've had a lot of questions on how do you start a 1923 McLaughlin Buick. So we'll just kind of quickly go through the procedure. We'll start it up and you can hear it run. The first thing you have to do is have to check the water in the radiator, and you do that by removing this cap and making sure it's topped off. The next thing you have to do is you have to go over to the engine cover, remove the pins here, lift up the hood, and on top of the valve train there are three little doors. They have to be opened, and we'll open all three of those. And inside of those are the rockers. And what we have to do, since they're not automatically oiled, we have to oil them before we set off for our 50-mile trip. So we'll get our little can, we put it down in the hole, we give it 3 or 4 squirts in each one. And we're done with that. So we'll close them all, and we'll close the hood. We've got one, and we've got two. Now we'll go to the other side of the car, and we'll lift the hood up over here. And what we're going to have to do here is we have to turn on the fuel from the vacuum tank so it goes into the carburetor. So we'll give that 1.5 turns. And we've done that. So now we'll close that, fasten the hood down, and jump into the car. You notice this is a right-hand drive. This McLaughlin Buick was built in Oshawa, Canada, and then exported to England. And it is probably only one of a half a dozen 1923 open tourers that went to England. So we'll get in, and we'll do a couple things here. One is we want to turn on the ignition. And you can kind of hear it running there. And then down below, you can probably just barely make it out, is the starter. So what we'll do is, now that the ignition is on, the car is in neutral, we'll push down on the ignition switch, which is all mechanical. We'll make sure that the choke is on. And here we go. And there you go. That's how you start up a 1923 McLaughlin Buick. Hope you enjoyed it.